Great. So, good morning, friends, and welcome to this session. Why health insurance is necessary, specifically by Max Bupa. Uh, First of all, I would like to make a note that specifically when we are looking at a health insurance, don't think that it is here to I have to buy it or why I am here. It is just to make an awareness, looking to the current scenario, and also it's important to understand why health insurance is necessary, because there are certain times where we feel health insurance is not important, or I should buy it or I should not buy it. That's always a question. To avoid that and to have a proper mindset that whether I need to buy health insurance or not, that's up to you. However, why I should take health insurance, why Max Bupa, what are the uniqueness about Max Bupa, I'll tell you in the current scenario. This it will be a 1 hour 1 hour session, and just wanted to give an update. If you have any questions, you can just post it, and I will get it. I will resolve the same in the end. In the end. So proceeding further to why health insurance specifically when we talk about. Uh, the the basic reason, if we come today and if we see in the current COVID-19 pandemic has made the entire world sit up and realize that medical exigencies are unpredictable and can cause a financial upheaval that that specifically that is tough to handle. Now, as we are aware that when we see such kind of problem happening, such kind of COVID situation happening around the world, and when we see in India, the cost is increasing day by day. The cost is increasing. The cost of hospitalization, if we see in COVID, is expensive. So what are the six reasons, or why I require to have a specifically a health insurance? So uh, so first of all, the COVID which is coming right now is with a high infection rate. No successful vaccines have started to understand the importance of having a good health insurance plan. Besides, with the rising cost of medical expense, access to good medical facility and hospitalization cost can be financially strenuous. Therefore, getting a health insurance cover for yourself and your family can provide a added protection you needed in the times like this. Now, uh, there are times where we feel that should we buy a health insurance or not? There is always a question, and that this is the sixth strong reason we should actually look forward to buy a health insurance. The first reason is to fight lifestyle disease. Now, as we all are aware, if I take my example, specifically that I specifically run a lot. I do marathons and I am always physically fit. But from past 2.5 months, I'm sitting at home because of COVID. I can't go out. Normal food lifestyles are with me. I am very foodie. I like to have junk food also, but also wanted to maintain myself. Now, if I see this in this current scenario, the biggest challenge is the lifestyle disease. Lifestyle disease such as diabetes, cancer, heart attack. This all are lifestyle disease because of the way we are living. If I talk about in the current situation also, so, when we are in office, we don't have our food on time. The stress level have increased. Many of people have lost the jobs, so they have stress about that also, due to which we are creating too much of problems in our body. That is the first reason I should buy health insurance, because it's very important that the health insurance will safeguard my family. So second is to safeguard your family. There are two types of stress. One is the stress which is specifically financial. The second stress is not having finance. There are two specific stress. So finance I might have, but not appropriate. And second, I don't have a finance. For example, if a customer gets hospitalized today, or somebody in the family gets hospitalized, the entire family is in stress because the funds are getting utilized. The entire system is getting, entire family is disturbed because one of the member is in the hospital. They don't know what is going to happen, how the person is going to recover. If it is a small illness, not a problem. If it is if the customer is suffering from a critical one, again there is a problem, because we don't know what doctors are going to advise. Nowadays we don't get in doctors which are specifically advising a correct correct medication, because we don't know which doctor has a good experience. So if you want to go to a specialist, the cost is higher on that side. Moving to the third point, which I feel is to have a proper insurance. Means I should check what kind of insurance cover do I hold. Is my insurance cover proper? Whether I have a low insurance or a high insurance. We used to see ads. Mera kam insurance hai, means the insurance is less. Uh, are we in that? So we need to check as a customer. And also, I should advise to my friends and families that if you have a lower insurance, you should actually increase the insurance. There are different ways. You can we In Max Bupa we do an exercise called health insurance planning. All our sales team are being educated on that, trained on that. So I would advise, in case you would like to know what kind of health insurance you are required in the next 5 years or the next 10 years, you can definitely get connected with them and they will explain you in detail how it will happen. The fourth reason, which is very important in the current scenario, is to deal with medical inflation. um, I always have a question that I have a 10 lakh cover, is it sufficient? I have a 20 lakh cover, is it sufficient after 10 years? I sometimes imagine that after 30 years, will a bypass cost remain the same? Will the insulin cost remain the same? Or will the organ transplant remain the same? That's the actual question as a customer I should ask. I'm not here to stress anybody, or we should get stress on it that you might be feeling stress. I'm not here to scare. It is just an point where we can. It's a time right now. Everybody's at home, working from home. We have some time to check our financials. That is, do I have a sufficient health insurance? Do I have a proper savings with me in case of health problem comes? Do I have sufficient money to get cured? Because at the end of the day, everybody, whether it be a person who is rich, a person who is poor, health will not knock the doors and come. It's very much uncertain. Any time the health problem can come. So my medical inflation is rising around by 12 to 15%. It is rising year on year. You might be seeing, if you go to a good hospital like Kokila Ben or Har Kishan, you will spend around, for a small illness, you will spend around 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupee of amount, because the treatment is nice. You have confidence on the hospital. You also have confidence that yes, the facility which I will get in that private hospitals will be better than what is government currently providing. Fifth is one of the most important point, is to protect your savings. It is a cushion. It's a financial cushion. Health insurance is nothing but a cushion around the savings what we have saved in the coming times. uh, there are examples what we always listen from all the customers, that there was a time where my savings were around 10 lakh, my mother got hospitalized and all the savings got used. There are certain times where customer says that, yeah, I have lot of saving, but due to one health problem all the savings gone. I can give you a very simple example. Let's take an example. You are, as a customer, I'm saying, and this is a live example which I have experienced. Somebody wants to open a restaurant and he has saved 20 lakh rupees with him, and after 10 days it's an opening. 20 lakhs at home, he has to pay to all the vendors, the interior designing what he did, and suddenly there is a medical expense at his home, and he is just, this is the last 20 lakhs he holds. What will be his state? His state will be very bad, because he is not having the health. He doesn't has a proper health. He doesn't have a health insurance, so he only has a 20 lakhs. So either his dreams are going to get going to get hold, and he has to get himself cured, and then he might have to take a loan from the market. So, and of course, what I see currently, when I was looking forward and when I was seeing the market, gold is increasing day by day. The gold prices are increasing, and looking to banker, when I see in banks, lots of people are actually uh, going specifically for a gold loan, because they don't have much money, or people have lost job. Now in that scenario, if I don't have a health insurance plan, I might lose up, or I might have to go for a loan to cover my health insurance. And last but not the least, insure early to stay secure. I would like to highlight My age is 30. I already have a 20 lakh insurance. Many of my friends or many of my relatives say that it's very bad to buy a health insurance at the age of 30 because you're not going to get sick. I said health insurance doesn't have a definition of age, that it is going to come at the age of 30 or 25 or 65. It can come anytime. I, everybody has a stress. A person who is doing a normal job, a small job, or a big job, there is nothing as a definition. Person who is a vice president will not get any illness or only get a specific illness, or a person who's just working into a normal office will not get a heart attack. We don't know what health problems will get occurred in our body, and it's better to get secure early. Reason being, the premium is less, you are healthy enough, so the medicals are easily getting cleared. You get your health insurance, and you buy a health insurance policy with a lifetime renewability. Means there is nothing as a question that you will face in terms of that you will not have a condition that I at the age of 45 need to go to a medical. If I'm young, my medicals will not happen. Whatever you disclose, basis that the underwriter will come up with you, and on that basis the medicals are happening. So this is the specific reason, 6 reasons I would like to highlight whenever you're thinking about buying a health insurance, because these 6 reasons can give you a point uh, why you need health insurance, why I should get health insurance. That's the question I should ask. uh, what kind of sum insured, what kind of features, what kind of benefits. Definitely I'll give you a set of product with me. However, that will be very much your choice. You can let us know what kind of product you want, and we have in our kitty. That's how the entire process has been made in the entire portfolio. Moving further, with the understanding that after thinking about why should I get health insurance, I would like to give you what differentiate us from our competitors. So what difference do we have in as a Max Bupa? So only health insurer to be listed as a super brand. So that's one of a thing would I like to highlight. Second is the best BFSI brand 2019 in health insurance category by Economic Times. We have been awarded as the best brands. And third, not the least, but going further, is most admired and followed health insurance brand on Facebook and Twitter. So that's how the entire segment of Max Bupa is there, that we are being publicized. Would like to highlight that recently we have a doctor on call services for all our partners, all our customers. We have been doing live sessions on Facebook, how to keep yourself healthy in these tough times, how to keep yourself mentally happy, because it's also very much important that in last from 60-65 days, everybody is locked down at home, everybody is thinking pressurized when the lockdown will open, when I will able to meet my friends, when I will able to see people, when I will go out and enjoy that time. My only understanding is that we are trying to reduce that stress, because this is a normal living, this is a phase of life, it will go away. That is also some campaigns as a social responsibility we are doing on the Facebook and Twitter, and that's how our brand value has been increasing. Why about Max Bupa? So Max Bupa has been divided into 3 parts. I have divided into 3 parts. So a cutting edge products. I'll be only showing you one, but the variety of kitty what we have, that's more important to be understood, because as a customer you might require some other product which might not suit you, or it will suit you. It depends on your needs. That's how the uh, understanding is, and certain key highlights what is in the market and what best we are giving and what best you can get in the market, and that will be purely your choice. There is no pressure that we need to buy something from a Max Bupa, but a perspective as a client or as a seller, I need to understand that why I should invest my time right now. You are watching me for 1 hour, giving your time. What specifically I'm going to get from this? So the first thing is the wider coverage. Product with no maximum entry age. So we are the company which offer you the no maximum entry age. You be a 75-year age or a 80-year age, you can definitely come with us, buy a health insurance plan with us. Definitely there are certain medicals we do, but purely that will be basis the health declaration the clients will be doing. Second, only product offering all family members in a single policy with 19 relation. I would like to stress here this point. Why I want to stress, we are the first insurance company, health insurance company, which has a 19 relation in one plan. So if you stay in a joint family, nothing to worry. You can come in one plan, and not joint family. If you want mother, father, your wife, yourself, and your two children to get insured in one particular health insurance policy, you will definitely can come in one plan. You don't have to have a separate policy kits to have a separate cashless cards. You can be in the one plan. Third, no pre-policy medical checkup up to 60 years. So the best part is you don't have to have a pre-policy checkup in this lockdown. Whatever declare, we have a telephonic guideline with us. You can definitely get in touch with us, and we will have a contactless health insurance policy delivered at your doorstep. That's the idea. Plus, we have a product availability for HNI segment. So HNI segment, or you can say a middle class, a pocket friendly product. You ask the product, we have it. That's how the product suite has been created. So product availability for HNI segments is sum insured up to 3 crores. Unique product to provide domestic and international coverage along with OPD. Uniqueness with centric propositions. Example, exclusive benefit of 30 days, uh, specific waiting period instead of 24 months for less than 45 years. So I would like to stress here one point. You might be seeing there are specific waiting periods. Now, what does this specific waiting period stand for? Specific waiting period is specifically cataract, kidney stone, piles, fistula, hernia that are not covered for specifically 24 months. Now, if you buy our heartbeat plan, the exclusiveness is if you're below 45, you don't need to wait for 24 months. After 30 days, the plan offers you that value. Exclusive premium waiver benefit to support customer in case of unfortunate event, health premium. So we also have a product, a health premium. This is a newly launched product, a very fantastic inbuilt option of a travel plus the health insurance. So currently we see travel insurance as an international. We also are covering within India also. So there are unique feature in that. You might, if you are a regular traveler and your work consists of traveling, you can definitely go in that plan and see about it, how entirely it works. The other differentiator is the loyalty addition. The increase SA every year respective of claim. So we are the company who does not judge the customer basis the claim. We keep on giving the bonus whether there is a claim or not. That's how the loyalty of our clients is being judged. And of course, there are certain plans where we will not give the incremental bonus due to claim. Definitely, we will not reduce their bonus part. So that's the ideal understanding which we should be taking understanding when we're thinking about Max Bupa. More in detail, if I see the market is not offering maternity, there is no the customer is being penalizing by reducing the bonus. The Ayush treatment is not there. We are offering Ayush treatment up to sum insured. That's one of the faster services. Now, as a person, whenever I buy anything, services are the important part, and Max Bupa has always focused on the service. That's nothing, as we say that service is the only key feature in health insurance, because in market we will find different kind of health insurance which will suit your needs, but at the end of the day, if service is not good, it will not give you a benefit. Now, a TAT for a cashless approval is 30 minutes. So just wanted to highlight the turnaround time for a cashless services is 30 minutes. So you don't have to worry. You get it in 30 minutes, and that's how the entire scenario works. So my advice and my request is that whenever you think on a cashless part. That's more important, because at the end of the day, if I'm hospitalized, I need someone in the home to take care of myself. Then in the hospital, sorry, then it doesn't make sense, because then again for a cashless I need one person to take for taking care of me. I need one person. It's during that tough time I need someone who's supporting mentally and not on the counter of a hospital as a cashless. So that's how the benefit is. We are offering 30 minutes cashless. By and large, for 4,800 hospitals which are keeping when we are expanding the network, we want to go to up to 10,000 network hospitals, so that each and every locality, every area is being covered with that. 24 months, 24 by 7 customer care dedicated line we are offering. That's more of the benefit. Now, moving further, the service that delight you. Now, state of the art self-service CRM tool to enable online and track service requests. So you don't have to worry. We have a inbuilt services. If you have a service request, we'll get services. We have, as I said, we have fitness and nutrition program for our customers. Doctor consultation at home at no extra cost. That's what we are offering. And last but not the least, in terms of technology, as I said, we have our own app, a Max Bupa Health app, which provides all the access on a touch base on your phone. You get your policy details, a tax certificate, policy hospital list, the policy renewal, and a digital card. You don't have to have a physical card, because we always have a remembrance that a mobile phone is with us 24 by 7 in this current scenario. So that's how the understanding is. And as I committed that we are offering a contactless onboarding of customers, where online process to fill application form and pay at your ease with your credit card, debit card, or a wallet payment, or a net banking, whatever is feasible for you. There are, so we have a Max Bupa website for us. The app is there available for the customers though. So we have our website also. That's how the entire criteria has been designed. Entire cycle has been designed for you. So this is about the Max Bupa. You just wanted to highlight, we are expanding our base also. So you will find our offices in different locations, which will help you to in case you want services, you can definitely walk into our branches also. But don't worry, we have our sales people. They will definitely give you the services what you want at your place. Now, I would like to come up with one single product which I have designed for you. Why specifically I have chosen this product? This product specifically is specifically designed in a way where it's a smart choice for a smart customer, because it covers everything. The pocket is not hampered on a higher scale. So the idea for this is very simple. The product is very good. I will explain one by one. First, I would like to highlight the coverage is up to 1 crore. Now, I would like to again recommendation. I would like a suggestion to be here. My recommendation is, go for a higher sum insured, so you don't have to think for an incremental in next 10 years or 20 years of time. That's the one thing I would like to recommend. Don't think in a proposition that if I buy this, I will succeed, but just a 3 lakh cover or a 5 lakh cover will is okay for me. Again, over a period of time, the inflation will it keeps on increasing. There is nothing as you can do in that. So that's the only request I will give it from my side. The second is the no sublimit on the room rent in any variant. So the idea is very clear. We are not giving any capping on the room category except the suite room. Let me explain. The hospital has variety of rooms. As a customer, I will only and only go for getting myself treated, and not just for as for a leisure purpose. So we are offering any room. It can be a deluxe room. The room name should not be a suite room or any room, because we know in the market we have suite room, we have a deluxe room, or we have n number of rooms available. We are offering any room. The room name should not be a suite room. It should be below that room. We will definitely pay for that without any capping, without any problem. The third point is the 100% refill. So now I'll just take a pause here and would like to explain the refill benefit, what differentiate to us from the market. So refill is as simple as that. It's the what refill I am giving, the refill benefit what I'm offering is, example, you have a 5 lakh cover and your 5 lakh cover is exhausted. I'm giving a scenario one. So the balance is zero for that particular year. Now refill comes with two separate conditions. Condition one, we will not refill for the new illness. Refill will only and only happen for a for new illness, not for the existing illness. Second, refill will only take place if the claim is above the remaining amount or the balance is exhausted. So let me give an example. We have a 5 lakh claim for a heart disease. The customer claimed the 5 lakh, the balance is zero. Now wife had got some illness for which 2 lakh is required without any additional premium, without any information, on a cashless basis. We will renew, we will refill 2 lakh rupee in that. So we'll refill entire 5 lakh, out of which 2 lakh will be paid. 3 lakh is remaining for a new illness. That's how the entire feature works. And I also would like to highlight another example. 5 lakh is my policy. Example, I got a 2 lakh rupee of claim. So my 2 lakh is my claim. So in that scenario, my balance is 3 lakh rupees. Now in 3 lakh rupee is the balance. The first claim is for the husband for a fever. Now 3 lakh rupees balance, and wife got some critical illness for which she got a claim of 8 lakh rupee. In that scenario, 3 lakh is the only balance without any question, because it's a new illness, and it's a second claim, because it's not for the first claim. We are saying refill is always triggered for the second claim. We will refill as 5 lakhs. So 3 plus 5 becomes 8 lakhs, and the entire 8 lakhs will be paid. Again, it's one of the best USP in the market. Only Max Bupa is offering, because in the market, other companies will refill, but only and only pay up to the basic sum insured what the customer has taken at the time of taking the policy. Again, I will repeat myself. If this claim would be in the market, what I gave you example of 3 lakh, on which the 8 lakh was the claim, 5 lakh we refill, and entire 8 lakh was paid. If it would be in the market, they would have refilled 5 lakh, but the total of the base policy would be of 8 lakh, but the customer's base sum insured is a 5 lakh. We will only would have paid 5 lakh. Balance 3 lakh would have been paid by the customer. So this is one of the USP you would be buying. You buy a 5 lakh product to a 1 crore product, the refill benefit comes with you in an individual and a family floater option. But the only scenario is, for a same member, same illness, we will not be offering a refill benefit in the particular year. Second, every first year, every first claim of the policy year, we will not be doing a refill. So my humble request to everybody is, do understand the refill benefit very correctly when you are buying any health insurance policy, because sometimes we think refill benefit is very good. We tend to buy a smaller sum insured, due to which we will lose our claim when the claim arises, which I don't want. As a customer, you lose on your saving, or as a seller, you lose on the benefit of giving a good advice to your client. Moving to the third point is the every claim fee year adds up 20% of SI bonus, maximum up to 100%. Now, friends, this is one of the USP in the market, specifically because we are offering 20% no claim bonus year on year, irrespective of the claim. In case there is no claim, sorry, I said irrespective. It is in case there is a claim, we will not give the bonus. However, if the customer is having a claim, we will not reduce the accrued bonus. So how does it work? I have a 5 lakh policy, and example, on the first year I have no claim, so 5 lakh 20% becomes 1 lakh, so my total comes to 6 lakhs. Now in that scenario, let's take an example. My second year, my policy cover became 6 lakh rupees. That means I have a balance of 6 lakhs to claim on the second year. Now let's take an example. On the second year, customer has suffered a claim of 6 lakh rupees, so the balance is zero. Now when you renew on the third year, the premium you will pay for 5 lakh. You will not be eligible for a bonus. Reason being, you are not eligible for the bonus. The reason is very simple. You're not eligible for the bonus is because there is a claim. It's a no claim bonus. And just wanted to highlight here that the bonus which is accrued will not get reduced. So that's again a benefit, that the bonus whatever is accrued will not get reduced. That's a USP, because the bonus is given lifetime, it remains the same. That means if there is no claim for first 5 years, that means a 5 lakh policy will become a 10 lakh, but there will be no reduction in the bonus if there is a claim. So let's take an example of a 10 lakh policy. There's a customer buying a 10 lakh policy. 10 lakh policy with a 10 lakh bonus becomes 20 lakhs. Now it's the sixth year. There is a family of husband, wife, and child. Husband got a claim of 10 lakh. The balance is 20 lakhs. Wife got a claim of example 5 lakh. So the balance is 15 lakhs. God forbid a child gets a 25 lakh rupees of claim. There is a 10 lakh of refill of that available of that particular year. 10 lakh refill gets triggered. 25 lakh entirely paid to the client. Again, when you renew on the 7 year, you get the bonus of 10 lakh rupee. So you get the policy is issued of a 10 lakh, but and plus the bonus of 10 lakh is being issued together, and the refill is still there with you in the policy. That's how the entire feature of this product is there. So the uniqueness is accumulated bonus does not reduce even after claims. That's the uniqueness what we're offering. Again, Ayush treatment is covered up to, we are covering up to sum insured. Pre and post hospitalization are also covered. Would like to highlight here that Ayush treatment is only and only in case of inpatient treatment. Means if the customer gets hospitalized, then only we are offering, will be offering. If it is a OPD, it will not be covered because we need to get hospitalized if we want to avail the benefit of Ayush treatment within the policy. Ambulance up to 3,000 rupees. So we are offering ambulance for the per hospitalization. So that's how the benefit is for this policy also. Again, we are also offering the vaccination part for animal bite, which is between 5,000 to 7,500 per year. So again, you get a benefit in this, that we are offering animal bite here, and this animal bite specifically in rural areas, not in the urban areas, you will be having this kind of features to be having this kind of problem. But we are offering animal bite as a OPD between 5,000 to 7,500 per as per the sum insured. Now, as I said, the policy, there is entry age is 18 years, but there is no maximum age limit. Child entry age is 91 days up to 21 years, up to 2 adult, 4 child. Again, the cashless approval within 30 minutes. As I said, we don't have a third party involvement. Everything is within the limit, and you don't have to worry about it. That's how the entire system has been created. Secondly, I would like to highlight here all daycare procedure. That means we are offering all daycare procedure in our policies. Means if I buy a policy, I don't have a specific list that only this daycares are there. So this policy comes with a all daycare procedure. So I would like to highlight, when you're opting, do check the list of daycare. It's very important. And also the inpatient benefit covered up to sum insured. So there is no capping, whether it's ICU, doctor fee, diagnostic, medication. You talk about operation theater. It is everything is up to sum insured. You don't get any problem in that. There is no capping in this product. And we also give a complimentary health checkup in this product. So every renewal you get a complimentary health checkup in this product without thinking about that you have to pay anything. There are 8 free tests in this product, which cost around 1,000 to 1,500 in the market. I would advise that if you go and buy any plan, do have a free health checkup on a regular basis. This will help you to understand your own health, and if there is some problem, we can ensure that the complication is not there, and we try to cure it as soon as possible. And this is about the health companion product, the most sellable, the most unique product available with Max Bupa for you right now. This is about the product, about the Max Bupa. I have not given my introduction. I wanted to keep it in the last, just a small brief I would like to give. So myself, Hiren Bhanushali, I am the Chief Training Manager for Max Bupa. I hold an experience in insurance for around 12 years now, including life and health. The only one thing I would request to everybody is, do proper plan their health insurance, and then do select a proper health insurance, because these services are more important. I've been in Max Bupa for 8 years now. The only one thing what I see is the service part, the 30 minutes cashless, the network hospital tie-up, the way the weightage is being given to a Max Bupa customers when they go to hospital, the cashless procedure, the seamless procedure where the customer is not disturbed when the cashless is happening, that's more important. Because products here and there, it will keep on changing. Of course, the premium for a younger will be cheaper. The higher the age, the premium will be expensive. But that's how the construct is currently. Uh, that's it from my side currently. I will be on the call. If you have any doubt, any questions, you can definitely ask me. I'm there on the call. You can also put a chat on that, and I can give you the answer on that. Anything on Max Bupa front you want to ask? Why you should buy health insurance? You can definitely ask. Any question on the claim part you would like to highlight about the Max Bupa? You would like to know more in detail? Any doubt? The floor is open. You can also write on the chat box. I'm viewing the chat box right now. So I suppose there are no questions here. So we'll end this session here. Thank you very much for everybody to joining this webinar and understanding on the Max Bupa and why health insurance required. Would wish you a best of luck. The only one thing, stay safe, stay at home, and Max Bupa is always there to support each and every customers and every client here. So do follow us on the Facebook and Twitter, and do see our highlights on that. So thank you very much. Have a great day.